Well, Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. I got myself a Christmas present. Just came today, so Merry Christmas to me. I'm gonna get some packing out of here. This was shipped from Florida. And at the end, I'll leave a little picture at the end of this video, and you can check out exactly where I got it. So this one came from a coin shop in the St. Augustine area. So got the pack out, there's that. All right, let's see if we can unwrap this thing. Put it in a bubble mailer, inside a box, packing. Really good job getting this thing boxed up here. I was always excited to add more of these to the stack, which I already know what it is, but feels like a coin roll here. There it is. What do we got? What do we got inside there? More tape. And there it is, the magic of the pause. So I got the tape off, so you guys didn't have to endure the agony of watching me go through that pain. No pain and suffering. So here's what we got. There they are, just some Morgans. And I think there's a mix here. Morgans, probably mostly piece dollars. So these are just all, you know, just generic years, piece dollars. So they got some wear and tear, obviously. But the good thing is that each one of these was just about spot price. I think that the average cost was like $24.50 for each one. So that's not too bad. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. There's a 5. Which one's that? Probably a 20. Ooh, it's a 26. And then we got a 25. So, really good price, you know, for piece dollars that aren't wore that bad. You know, here's one that's a little shinier, probably been polished. So that one, what is that one? A 23. Didn't know what we'd get. There's a 24. So a nice little selection of calls there. And then see what we got here. We got an 1899 Morgan. 1899 This one, what's this one? All right, get it right. 1888. Triple eights. 1888 Morgan. There's that one. This one. 1921. 1921 Morgan. And we got another 21. It's just interesting to see what he grabbed out of his call bin to send. There's 1901. Oop, another 1921. Nice. And an 1891. There's another, an 1881. You give me a nice little mix of calls, even on the Morgans. 1921. And then the last one is this 1884. Philadelphia Mint. No mint mark. Sweet. So there we are. We got, you know, a stack of 10 piece dollars, 10 Morgan dollars, and I think the whole tube, let's see, shipped to the door was like $490. So Merry Christmas to me. And I already have some Morgans here, so I'm gonna put these, just separate them, keep them in this tube. Put the rest of my call Morgans here. And then every time I think I got a tube filled, I get a new empty tube. So this one we'll put the piece dollars in. There they are. I mean, they're just calls, nothing special, so I'm not going to baby them. I'm not worried about touching these or anything. They're just bulk bullion, but to me, you know, that you do get a little premium sometimes with the Morgan piece dollars. They're very, very popular. So if you can pick these up at spot, I mean, to me, it was a no-brainer, or very close to spot. So that's what I got, and I got some Morgan's piece dollars starting to stack up. I figure they're easy, you know, they're easy to liquidate when the time comes. And I can just picture myself, maybe I'll be down Florida, I don't know. But you know, I could probably, and during that time, I might, as an old fogey senior citizen, I might be able to sell one of these and go get something to eat, right? You never know. So that's my plan. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Got some Morgans. Please show me what you got. Let me know what you picked up for Christmas time. And if you get silver for Christmas, drop me a comment. Let me know what you got. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again.